Hey guys, so right now I'm gonna be doing spark plugs. I kind of already started, but I decided to just start recording, and it's actually pouring also. See, but the weather's not gonna stop nobody. Sorry if you can't hear me. Alrighty, so all the spark plugs are changed. I think I dropped one of these under the car. But yeah, this is how they're looking. It could be worse, but yeah, they weren't too bad. Carbon deposits on some, which is normal, you know. This car has like 200,000. They're pretty good, obviously this car already doesn't start sometimes, so let's see. She started. She might turn off soon though, but she's been doing that. Yeah, there she goes. No, we'll see, right? Oh yeah, and then earlier my cat dropped all these tools on the floor. Yeah, you gotta love your pets. But yeah, that's probably it for this video. I just want to see if she continues to run or she'll shut off, because she was doing that earlier. Every time she would come up to temp and then the fans would run, somehow, like, I don't know, it would just turn off. So I'm just gonna wait it out to see what happens. And yeah. Alright then, have a nice video, guys. Peace.